Good morning everyone, and now it's 3:45 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and today we are going to learn basic of SQL. So firstly, we have searched for SQL plus. We have to enter our username sys as sysdba. Okay, then enter your password. Fine. So if you haven't seen my previous lecture, okay, please visit my channel on YouTube, Technical Learning for All, okay, @Technical Learning for All. You can type this URL directly in the browser, okay. And in my channel, please watch these two videos. Session first was to download the Oracle software and SQL developer tool, and session 2 is for Oracle installation, okay. So once you complete these two videos, okay, then you can go for this third one. So what we have done, we went to search box, we searched for SQL plus, okay, we opened SQL plus window and we entered our username and password. Now today we are going to understand how to create table, okay. How to create table, we will understand in both ways, by using this SQL plus terminal, okay, and by using the SQL developer tool also, okay. So in this terminal we have to write one query, create, okay, table, okay, create table, then give table name. So let's give table name as student underscore information, okay. Student information is the name of my table. Create table student information, okay, and we have to give parenthesis here. In this parenthesis, what we have to pass is that we have to pass our column name, okay, and type. So let's pass column name as serial number SNO, or we can say like that, roll underscore number, okay. It is of number type data, and in bracket give the size 10, then roll number, okay, then name. So name is what, varchar type of data, in the bracket give the size as 20. See here, column 1 will be roll number, column 2 will be name, okay. Number will be of number type, name will be of character varchar type, okay, string type. Then third is what, address varchar type, okay, in bracket 20. Fine, bracket complete and semicolon. So what we have done, the syntax is like that, create table, okay, then give the table name. Table name can be anything, okay, student information, patient information, right, attendance, college attendance, okay. Then inside the bracket we have to pass our column name 1 space its type and size, comma column name 2 type and size, comma column name 3 type and size. So here roll number, name and address, these three are our column. So now let's press enter. See, our table is created now successfully. Now let me open my notepad first, okay. I will explain this command to you in the notepad, okay. Format, font. Today we have seen our first query, okay, we have seen our first query to create table, okay, query to create table, and its syntax, this is the syntax, give word create table, then pass table name, give table name here, okay, give the space, then give the parenthesis. In the parenthesis give column name 1, whatever column you want, like patient ID, patient name, or roll number, right, or vehicle number, or laptop number, whatever you want as per your requirement. Okay, so here we have to pass column name, then column name 1 space data type. So here we have different types of data. Okay, if it is of character type, you can go for varchar type. Okay, see, in this query I have taken name as of varchar type, address as of varchar type, right, and roll number as of number type, correct. So see, now let's go for syntax. Create table, table name, in the bracket column name 1, its data type and size. Okay, then column name, column underscore name 2, its data type and size, whatever size you want to give, right, numerical. Now complete the bracket. If you want to give more column, you can give, else complete it, give the semicolon and press enter. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, and we have just created one example example. I will just copy this query. This is one query, just right click to copy, it's copied. Let me paste in the notepad here. This is the example 1, right, this is the query. So what we have done, we have created a table with the name student information. Fine. Now let's check how to check that this table is created, right. In this table at this time there is no record, so there is a command called describe. Okay, describe student underscore information, describe student information, and give enter here. Okay, so see, after you pressed enter, it is showing us the structure of our table, correct. If you fire command like select star from student information, it will not give you anything because there are no record. Select star means what? Select all rows from student table, right? Enter. See, no rows selected. So we have just created one table, okay, using the create table command, and by using the describe command we can see that structure. Okay, we can just check the structure of our table. Okay, what we have wrote here, describe student information. See, it is giving us the name of the column. Column name 1 is roll number, column name 2 is name, column name 3 is address, right. Here we have created roll number, name, address, and it is giving the type and the size. Now let's create one more table. Create. Firstly I will show you that it is not there, right. Let's create one table for patient attendance, okay, or for patient information, right. Select star from patient underscore information. See, this table does not exist. We got the error, right? Table or view does not exist. Now we are going to create second table called patient underscore information. Okay, so the command will be like create table, give the table name patient underscore information, create table, table name patient underscore information. Okay, then in the bracket we have to give the column as PID number PID number 10. Okay, then patient name, okay, varchar 20, because name can be longer, right? And patient disease, right? Patient disease, this is also character type varchar, right? It will be like 20, size 20. Okay, PID, patient name, patient disease, and let's take one more, patient email, or let's take contact detail, contact number, patient contact number, right? It can be contact number. We can take, one mistake is here, we have to give at least underscore. Okay, patient underscore contact underscore number, like this. It can be, we can take it like varchar also, not the issue. Fine, let's give size as 12, bracket complete, this bracket complete, semicolon. See, create table as per our syntax. Okay, this is the syntax which we got earlier. Okay, the command is like, create table, table name, column name 1, its type and size, comma, column name 2, its type and size, right? This is the syntax. Create table, table name, in bracket, column name 1, its type and size, comma, column name 2, its type and size. You can add multiple column. Same here, we have given one example. This is the query which we are creating now, right? Create table, table name we have given as patient information, in bracket we are giving column name 1, type I want it like a number, I want to store number in this PID column, then in the name I want to store some characters. Okay, so I have given patient name as the column name, and type and size, patient disease, type and size, patient contact number, type and size, right? Parenthesis you have to take care of. For sizes we have opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, in that we are giving size by the numerical number. Here also see, comma, patient contact number, type will be character, or you can say like that, I am going to store character type of data in this, okay, in this column. Then size, parenthesis complete for size, and then final parenthesis completed for this one, right? This one, semicolon, enter. See, our patient table, patient information table created now. Earlier when we fired select star from patient information query, okay, so here star stand for all the rows. Okay, now if we fire the same query again, select star from patient information, I will not get any error. Earlier I got the error like table or view does not exist. Okay, but I will not get row also, there is no row, right? The table is empty at this time. This is just a dummy table. In this table we haven't inserted any information, that's why it is giving error, like not error, it is giving the message like no rows selected. Now if I want to check the description of this table, how I will check? Describe patient underscore information, enter. Great. See, so today what we have learned, we learn how to create table in SQL, okay, Oracle SQL, and how to check the structure of the table. Okay, in next session we will understand how to insert record in this table, or we can say like that, how to insert data in this table. Okay, this we will see in the next session. So thanks a lot for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care and bye bye.